Hi, this is Ms. Shemba from Silas Dean Middle School Library Media Center. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to use the primary search database in Research-ResearchIT. Research-ResearchIT is a series of free databases offered to us at the Connecticut State Library. Primary Source is one of the databases which houses articles and other sources from over 80 magazines geared towards middle school and elementary school students. To access this database, you will first do a Google search for Research-ITCT. It should be the first website in your results. Once you are on the website, you will see all the resources listed by category in a menu on the left. Click for middle schools. From here, the middle school resources are broken down even further. Scroll through the magazines and journal column until you see primary search. Look for the pink button with the writing in yellow. If you're accessing this database from school, you will not need to put in your library card number. However, if you're trying to access the database from home, you will need your library card number in front of you. From here, you can start your search. For example, I'm going to search the moon. Since I did a broad search, there are thousands of results. However, using the limiters on the left, you can reduce your search results to only things you want. If I only want magazines, then I would check that box. Searches could also be limited by the source type, the subject, the publication, the publisher, the language, and you can limit by geography. As a default, the page is sorted by relevance, but sometimes the most current articles are the most useful in science. At the top of the page where it says relevance, click on it to see other options. Here we can sort them by the newest ones. Click Date Newest. There are other limits you can set. At the top menu under Limit To, it says Show More. Click that to see more options. Here you can pick the publication type. You can also search by lexile. I want to look for something with a lexile between 500 and 700. Click that selection and then hit search. Search results have now gone from over 6,000 to over 700. There's still a lot, but that might be good so you can look through them all. As you look through the search results, you'll notice that some only say HTML full text. This will only have the basic text of the article. However, some of them have the PDF full text. This is going to be the exact replica of what's in the magazine. So let's take a look at one of those. On this one, we can see that it's a periodical. It also is only going to be one page. This is the magazine and the issue, and there's a lexile of 670. There's even a little description so you can see what the article is about. Let's click on it for more information. The first thing you'll probably notice is the HTML version of the article. You could read it here, or you could click on the PDF full text so you can actually see what the article looked like in the magazine. I think it's more fun to see here, and sometimes there's interesting images. But let's go back so we can see some other details of primary search. For some articles like this one, clicking Listen will give you the ability to hear the article be read to you.
Old Cricket Says. Section. Departments. Robert Gibbon Johnson, leading citizen of Salem, New.
We could even change the accent if we want. You can also highlight certain areas and then have that part read to you. Another feature is translating an article into another language. Some of the most important features are on the right side column. Perhaps the most important is the Cite tool. Primary Search creates the citations for you. All you have to do is find the one you want, copy it, and then you can paste it into the bibliography. So this was only a brief introduction to primary search in Research-ResearchIT. Feel free to see the Media Center to learn more, and as always, happy researching!